Hi everyone, Sarah here at St.Albert Active Showroom, and this right here is a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. So underneath the hood right here, it does have that V6 engine, still going to give you a ton of towing capacity for this vehicle. You're going to see obviously the chrome grille right here, some tow hooks, as well as right here is adaptive cruise control. So the adaptive cruise control is also paired with the technology group. So it's going to have lane departure systems, parking assist, it's going to parallel park for you, which is really nice. So if you struggle with that, this is a vehicle for you. Coming around to the side, you're going to see the chrome details throughout the vehicle. You're going to have the 20-inch Scorpion tires right there. Great for any kind of winter weather that is coming our way. Again, beautiful granite coloring, so it's kind of like a charcoal with a metallic in it. You're going to have a lot of power options in this vehicle as well. You have power windows, power mirrors, fold-away mirrors, which is really nice. You have the power seats. You got the power steering wheel, obviously automatic lights as long as you are on that A right there for the automatic lights. It also comes with a Harmon Kardon stereo system, fully upgraded, which is really nice. It has a push button start, remote start on the key fob, access to the trunk just by pushing two little buttons right there. The back seats here also is going to fold down for you, so if you have any kind of storage that you need to do, this is going to be the vehicle for you, and it has that 60-40 split seating, so it's going to give you lots of versatility in your cargo, okay? So coming to the back here, you're also going to have, obviously, the tonneau cover here for your back hatch, so if you have any kind of personal belongings, you can actually have those hidden away. Under right here, full-size spare tire with a whole bunch of storage throughout. You're going to have clips. You have, obviously, a little pocket right here. You have a 12-volt right there. You also have a power button for your hatch, so you don't even have to pull it down. You also have the hitch and the receiver on this vehicle. I'm going to show you some interior options, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, thank you for staying tuned. My name is Sarah, and we are inside this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. So, like I said, the key is push button start. Here's your little hatch access right here, your remote start as well, power and lock, and that panic button. Push button start. Okay, you have the full instrument panel right here, so you can change that instrument panel for what you want to see. So you can see your fuel mileage, you can see your digital speedometer, you know, vehicle information, things like that. So that's fully customizable to whatever you would like. Behind here, you're going to have some audio controls, and you can also change your sources, which is pretty cool. So making it a true hands-free vehicle. This is how you change this cluster right up here. You obviously have your Bluetooth device right here. If you do have Siri or anything like that, this actually connects with Siri, so you can be well connected with this. You have your cruise control, your adaptive cruise control. So the adaptive cruise control, if you're coming up to a vehicle a little bit too fast and you're on cruise control, it's actually going to actively brake for you, which is really nice. Coming here to this middle console, you're going to see a lot. So you're going to have buttons right here. This is also going to be a full touch screen. Okay, so some of these buttons, so you know how I said it would parallel park for yourself, you're going to have these buttons right here. You have the auto stop and start. So if you're in an idle position, it's actually going to stop the vehicle for you, and it's going to save you a ton of fuel mileage, fuel economy there. So obviously that eco mode. So if you are driving on a highway or driving long distances, that eco mode is also going to save you a ton on gas. Or sport mode is going to just give you a little bit more power, okay? So you have physical buttons right here, but you also have the touch screen right here. AM, FM, Sirius, Bluetooth radio. Your climate, you're going to have actual dual climate, which is pretty nice. So if one person's hot, one person's cold, you can actually do that. If my fingers would work, I'm a little chilly right now. So you have heated seats, ventilated seats for the driver and passenger. You also have the heated steering wheel right there. You can have your backup camera. When the vehicle is actually on, you can actually see what's behind you without even driving the vehicle, which is really nice. You got a lot of apps, so it's going to keep you well connected. Apple CarPlay, Google, Android Auto. You're going to have a free 1-year subscription with Kardon, so that's going to give you access to that wireless hotspot, the traveling system, all connected through GPS. It's going to help you if your vehicle gets stolen. Police can help you find that vehicle. If you have a couple drivers in your household, you can actually kind of see what's going on, especially that works really well for any kind of young families with kids learning how to drive. Navigation as well. This is your phone settings, and then obviously a whole bunch of customizable settings that you can do. Up here, you're going to have another button to access the back tailgate, okay? Sunglass holder, universal garage door opener, as well as a massive panoramic sunroof right up here. Beautiful leather seating throughout. This is a four-wheel drive vehicle. I mean, you can actually select your terrains right here, as you can kind of see. It also has the air ride system, which is really nice. If you're hauling anything, or if you're kind of going over large bumps, big bumps, snow hills, anything like that, you're going to want to take access into this. And like I said, that full cheering system there. Heated seats in the back for the comfort of your passengers as well. And you also have that household standard plug-in and obviously 12 volts, USBs all throughout the vehicle as well. And a good old middle console and a lockable glove box. This unit is going to be the unit for you if you have a family, if you like doing things out in kind of our condition, our weather, this is it for you. Give us a shout here at dealership, 780-458-8660.